Say hi, Guapo.
Hi.
Today is, what, 30 degrees? So it's
30
hot
degrees.
and warm, brother. So we're here snowmobiling. So this is the last.
As we know, unless we get some new snow, this will probably be the only day to snowmobile for now.
Mm-hmm.
We're trying to stay out in the woods where there's more snow. But tomorrow night there's supposed to be more snow coming, but it's springtime, so it's not going to stay long. But yep, it's the end of February. Then when March comes, we might get lots of snow, or we might get lots of sunshine.
Pretty view. All right, we're starting now.
Yep,
All right.
start your snowmobile.
So I follow you, okay?
No, you go ahead first,
Okay.
and I'll follow you. And when you get to a dirt road, we gotta turn around.